Hi, and welcome to this module on ensemble modeling. Now, ensemble modeling is one of the most exciting parts of machine learning modeling. They are also very widely used and they are very popular among data scientists, and for a good reason. So, irrespective of whether you're participating in data science competitions or you're applying machine learning models in production, ensemble modeling will definitely help you a lot in improving your models. So let us start our journey to understand ensemble modeling by a simple analogy. So let's say you want to purchase a car. Now, how would you go about purchasing this car if you don't know a lot about the latest cars out there? In all likelihood, you'll go about seeking information. So you would go and probably visit a few showrooms. You would talk to multiple salespeople and understand which car offers what kind of features and what might fit your need. You would also search various forums which are available online and see what are some of the owners of these cars telling you about those cars, and you'll take those inputs. You'll also discuss with some of your friends who might be experts in cars and automobiles, and you would take their inputs. And once you have taken these inputs, you would then aggregate them at your own end. You would understand what it means for you and you'll take your decision. So if you think about it, you took inputs from multiple sources, including the salespeople, the forums, and the people you might know. And using those inputs, you took your own decision. Now, each of these people or each of these inputs had their own decision frameworks, but you actually took those inputs and you took the final decision. And this is something which is very similar to ensemble modeling. So in an ensemble model, what you do is you take predictions from multiple machine learning models. So in this particular diagram, M1 to Mn are various machine learning models, and each of these are giving you predictions which are represented by prediction 1, prediction 2, all the way up to prediction n. And what you do is take these predictions and combine them in some manner to create a final prediction. And that is what your ensemble model does. So the question is, how do you combine these multiple models and how does it help us create better models? And that is what we'll be looking at in the rest of this module. Thank you.